End user, their primary objective is the output of that machine, right? They want to keep that machine pumping out cans or bottles or candy bars or whatever it may be pumping out, and that's the primary focus. While that's happening, of course, the way to maximize that is to ensure that all the services being done, both the things that you know need to be done because of some time interval or usage interval, but also intermittent signals that may indicate that there's a coming problem. This data is readily available. But to actually monitor that, identify it, and then respond to it isn't always top of mind for an end user that's spending all their time and energy just trying to get the maximum output this shift. And so they try and plan and they try and make sure that that gets done on the right interval, but often they're not as efficient. The other thing is they're not necessarily as insightful as the people that actually built the machine in terms of being able to interpret that and know when something is required. And ultimately, it's not core to their business, right? Great producers of product are not necessarily great maintenance departments. If they can outsource that to their OEM, who fundamentally understands the machine because they built it, has great information on what needs to happen and when, based on historic records, and can send their own technicians to make sure it's done right each and every time, and it can be done so in an automated process where when that machine requires service, it's flagging that to both the end user and to the OEM, initiating a certified service professional to show up on site, take care of whatever needs taken care of, with the transaction on the financial side already prearranged and already either paid for or the billing procedures already set up, so you're not adding a tremendous bureaucracy. It really creates efficiency to make sure that when you buy a new asset, that asset goes into your plant, it's running well on day one, it's going to continue to receive the service that's required by professionals that are capable to deliver it on an ongoing basis to ensure its maximum output over its life cycle.